Exporting clips from Premiere Pro. Now that your edit is complete and ready for delivery, how will you get the finished video out of your system? Well, getting the hang of exporting in Premiere seems difficult, but it's really not as complicated as it seems. Though, with a little knowledge about codecs and sequence settings, you'll be just fine. Step 1. Open the export window. To export a video from Premiere Pro, go to File, Export, then Media. Or use the shortcut key for PC, Ctrl-M, or for Mac, Command-M. Make sure the sequence you want to export is selected when doing this. This will bring up your export setting window, and in this window, you'll select your desired settings or preset for export. Number 2. Choose your export sequence setting. The first thing to think about when exporting a video is where the video will be delivered or how will it be viewed. Are you going to upload it to YouTube and Vimeo, compress the video down so you can send it easily to clients, or are you just going to export a high-res master version for presentation? The delivery destination is very important in deciding on what the settings needs to be. If you want to bypass this custom settings and export with the exact settings of your sequence, then you can select Match Sequence Settings at the top. That will change your export setting to exactly match your sequence setting. About platform presets. Premiere Pro has presets for YouTube, Vimeo, and a couple of other social media platforms. When you make any of the selections, Premiere Pro will give you a video best suited for such platform. Format and codec. The best setting for web playback is the H.264 codec. So, we'll select our format as H.264. That is also the most common codec for video exports through Premiere Pro. For 80 to 90% of your exports, you will be using the H.264 codec. Number 6. Select a destination and name your export. Now you can select the export on your Premiere Pro export options. Selecting the export option simply exports your sequence right from that window. You won't be able to make use of Premiere Pro while this is happening. Well, that's it. You just exported your finished video. You may want to save your settings for future exports. Now, finally, if you find yourself using custom settings regularly, you can save your export settings as a preset. Click the Save Preset button next to the preset drop-down in the export window, name the preset, and you can reach it easily anytime. As you can see, exporting the finished video from Premiere Pro is super easy and very customizable. Hope as usual you find this video very helpful. Kindly make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Cheers!